Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to another seasonal lifestyle unboxing video from the brand The Balanced Company. And I have shared a lot of different unboxings here on my YouTube channel from The Balanced Company because I am obsessed with The Balanced Company. They make the best subscriptions. I love their monthly snack box. I feature that monthly here on my channel, but the quarterly lifestyle box here is definitely one of my favorite subscriptions I've ever gotten. So I cannot wait to get into the summer box here. This has 12 products in it and it only retails for $54.99. So an incredible value. Plus, I have a 20% off discount code. It's Christy20, so I'll have that linked in the description down below. And so if you're not familiar with The Balanced Company, it's a women-owned company that really helps you live that balanced lifestyle. So I can't wait to see what kind of products are going to help me live that balanced lifestyle this summer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing here. Oh, and I like to give a disclaimer when something is sent to me for free. So I do get these boxes for free. These are not sponsored videos though. Okay, like I said, there's 12 products in here, so there is a lot to unbox. Let's go ahead and start pulling some products out. Ooh! Okay, these are seriously essential. Some measuring cups. And very cute ones with the rose gold or kind of like copper, matte black. And I see some matching measuring spoons as well. So cute. And seriously, there is such an array of products in here, like this one here that I just pulled out. This is like a decorative wooden stand. You can put a candle on here. I feel like this would be great to have in my background here. Maybe put my vase on it or a candle. Some home decor in this as well. You know, let's see if there's some product information for me to give you some more details. I just decided to pull it up on my phone instead. So yes, like I showed before, the measuring cups and measuring spoons set has a retail value of $35. Next, this wooden decor riser, retail value of $20. All right, next up, Lumini Finland. Not familiar with this brand, and I love that the Balanced Company boxes are always introducing me to different brands that are going to be good for you brands as well. This is Nordic Sea Fresh Glow Brightening Gel Mask. Ooh, wow. Instant Brightening Boost Re-Energizing Dull and tired skin, exfoliates the skin with gentle natural AHA from cloudberry and hydrates with pure Arctic spring water for a natural glow from within look. Wow, that sounds very nice. Let's see what the product looks like. Ooh, it is so jelly, like you would expect. That is so fun. Oh my gosh, that smells incredible. It's definitely a potent smell, but such a beautiful scent. I would literally wear that as a perfume. Oh my gosh, let's see the retail value. On the Lumine Nordic Sea Fresh Glow Brightening Gel Mask is $29.99. All right, next, ooh, something I love. Lip balm. This is the Eco Lips Plump. Oh, rosemary mint lip food organic. I love that this calls out plump because I love a plumping lip product. Invigorate and moisturize for a smooth, full look. With chamomile mushroom extract. Okay, that's pretty unique for a lip balm. I am excited to try this out. I often try out makeup products in full dedicated review videos here on my YouTube channel, and this might have to get its own video because I am very intrigued by what a plump rosemary and mint chamomile mushroom extract lip balm is going to be like. So the retail of the Eco Lips Lip Food Plump Organic Rosemary Mint Lip Balm is $3.79. All All right, not too bad. Okay, there's a big product in here that is catching my attention. This here, I gotta open this. Oh my gosh, I got a beautiful, incredible quality backpack duffel bag in this box. Oh my gosh, I can't believe, like, this is such an incredible box, and this looks amazing. So many pockets and straps, and I love the color, a great size. I actually don't even have a backpack because all of the backpacks that I have ripped, so I truly need this. Oh my gosh. I am blown away by the fact that we got a beautiful backpack in this box as well. So it's a mint green convertible bag with a retail value of $65. A $65 bag. I feel like I cannot stop checking this out. I love this, and I really need it too, so absolutely perfect to get in this box. But there are still so many other exciting products in here. I just pulled out, this is from another brand that I'm not familiar with, Sticks Nature Cosmetic Kartoffel Hand Balsam Potato Hand Balm. What in the world? I have never heard of a potato hand balm, but I'm going to try it out. Let's see what this is like. I wonder what it's going to smell like. Ooh, it actually smells very nice. Almost like a floral hand cream type smell. Doesn't smell like potatoes. Let's see if it has any sort of interesting texture. Ooh, it's actually a very nice, lightweight feel. Pretty classic lotion texture. Very nice. I do love the smell of this. And I love the feel of it too. A very nice hand cream. Super moisturizing, but not at all greasy. It's really absorbing nicely into the skin. Ooh, I like this. And the Sticks Potato Hand Balm retails for $6. Okay, let's pull out some more goodies. Ooh, I've gotten this brand a few times in the Balanced Company lifestyle boxes. A Roomier Sandalwood and Turmeric. Ooh, Ayurvedic hand and body soap. I feel like getting a soap is so useful. This can go right onto the bathroom counter. And it's gentle skin rejuvenating formula for hands, face, and full body. Yeah, that's what I remember about these Roomier products is they're very multi-use, which is awesome. And this is also earth-friendly, biodegradable, sulfate-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, palm-free, vegan, cruelty-free, non-GMO. Ooh. And it retails for $12.50. All right, next up, ooh, oh my gosh, even a makeup product. Seriously, like such an incredible range of products in here. This is from the brand Catrice. Ooh, I like Catrice. I haven't tried out Catrice products in a little while. Lash Changer Volume Mascara. Yes. Oh my gosh, this has hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid is just everywhere. I mean, I love that ingredient, but that's so funny. I don't know that I've really noticed it in a mascara before. But I love trying out mascaras. This could be one that I do a video on as well. So the Catrice Lash Changer Volume Mascara retails for $7. A nice drugstore price point. I love that for a mascara. Ooh, next we've got from the brand Aura Cachia, new brand to me, Aromatherapy Foam Bath in lavender. Ooh, this sounds very nice. I feel like you could have a very spa-like experience with this. So the Aura Cachia Bath Soak, retail value of $7.99. Ooh, this is a really pretty box here. I love this packaging. Tropical Naturals. I'm struggling to pronounce all of these brand names. I don't know this one either. Ooh, scalp treatment. I love a scalp treatment. I try and use scalp scrubs often. This here is seems like maybe an oil. Ooh, yes. It says apply directly to scalp and massage with fingertips, leave in or wash out after 10 to 15 minutes. And this is also vegan, organic, cruelty-free, all of that. And a retail value of $36. Ooh, wow. A pricey product, but such great self-care in this box as well, which is so important, and I love to get self-care products. And then the last product in here, Simply Balanced Hydration Ultima Replenisher Electrolyte Mix. Ooh, this will definitely come in handy for me. I feel like I always like to keep these on hand for maybe sick, hungover, dehydrated, whatever it may be. These can be such a game changer. Ooh, and there's assorted flavors in here. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I will definitely be trying these out. The Ultima Replenisher 3-pack electrolyte mix sampler is a $2.99 retail value. So, wow. An amazing summer lifestyle box. So many products that I cannot wait to start using right away. If you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below, because pretty much all new brands to me. And so as always, thank you so much for watching my unboxing video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.